Fellow pioneers, this is the monumental announcement that we have all been anticipating. I'm sure that most of you are already aware that some cryptocurrency wallet have begun offering Pi in their exchange. This news is not a fluke, and you can confirm it yourself on the Huobi Global platform. Going to 3 years now, we the loyal pioneers have been busy mining Pi every blessed day over the years. After Pi is being listed on the Huobi Global trading platform for less than 24 hours, Pi Network native token has had a tremendous price increase of over 500% and is currently trading just around $279 guys after Pi is being listed on the Huobi Global trading platform for less than 24 hours. I take a lot of time and hard work making research to bring this to you. The least you can do to help our channel to grow is to subscribe. Love you guys, and let's get back to the topic of the day. The Pi network has been operational for the past 3 years and has successfully built up a sizable community despite the fact that its token has not yet been listed on any exchanges. The tokens, which can be mined directly from a smartphone, have been working on moving to the mainnet, and it appears that this move has finally brought to pass what the community craves the most, as it has been listed by Huobi Global Exchange, which is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. It all started when Huobi says Pi Network is a possibility on Monday, when the cryptocurrency exchange Huobi Global posted an announcement on its website that outlined what it was doing in the cryptocurrency market. Reportedly, this two-pronged approach is an effort to allow more time for more apps to be created as well as move apps that already exist on the testnet to the mainnet. This comes at a time of rising uncertainty about the future of the Pi Network given how long it has been in existence. The Christmas Day post read Huobi has always been committed to supporting top projects in their community relations, and they received a positive recommendation from the Pi Network community. Huobi will follow up clone requests and other community despite criticism from the Pi Network core team. The token has continued to be the most popular coin on the Huobi platform in the past 24 hours. This is despite the fact that deposits and withdrawals are currently halted pending the debut of the mainnet. This also refutes the claims made by xt.com and Huobi Global. Pi is currently trading at 500 USDT, which is a gain of 500% in less than 24 hours after it was listed. Data from Huobi verified that Pi core team continues to issue warnings to pioneers, telling them not to engage in any transactions involving Pi through third-party sites. According to the article, Pi Network is aware of reports that several unauthorized third-party exchanges and potential unknown third parties are seeking to list Pi or tokens purporting to be Pi or some purported derivative of Pi without the consent, authority, or involvement of Pi Network. The core team continued by emphasizing that there is no formal agreement between Pi Network and Huobi or xt.com, and as a result, neither exchange has the right to formally offer Pi for trading. Pi is a cryptocurrency that can be used to make. It is important to reiterate that Pi is currently in the enclosed network and is not approved by Pi Network for listing on any exchange or for trading. Additionally, Pi Network was not involved with any of these purported postings or listings. Despite this, Huobi Global and xt.com have listed the Pi Network native token Pi for trade on their respective trading platform forms less than 24 hours ago without a formal engagement from the core team. The Pi Network, which has been running for years now, has a large master. The community for a token that can be mined straight from a smartphone. It looks that this move will eventually bring about what the community most wants. There is a chance that the Pi Network exchange will be listed. Huobi Global told the community that it was keeping an eye on the upcoming mainnet launch of the cryptocurrency and that it would then review Pi for a potential listing on the exchange. The mainnet is anticipated to launch with a full Web3 experience, enabling developers to create decentralized applications. The launch of dApps on top of the Pi Network is anticipated to take place in 2 stages. There are 2 types of mainnet launches, closed and open. Given how long the Pi Network has been in existence, this comes at a time when there is growing worry about its future. This two-pronged approach is allegedly meant to offer developers more time to create new programs and to transition software from the testnet to the mainnet. According to reports, the Pi Network community has over 40 million users, and Huobi has always been committed to assisting top projects in their community relations. Huobi will closely monitor Pi Network's updates regarding the impending mainnet launch thanks to the positive recommendation of the Pi Network community. Once the main network has been successfully upgraded, Pi will be reviewed for listing as soon as possible. The transition to a full Web3 platform is the latest in a series of developments from the Pi Network team as it gets ready to launch its main net on the platform. Decentralized applications are already being launched. Its official Twitter account now has over 2 million followers, surpassing Cardano and Litecoin on the platform. a decentralized exchange powered by blockchain, recently unveiled its IDO for its native coin. The Pi browser, which supports both Web 2 and decentralized Web 3 applications, was made available by Pi Network. Originally intended for mid-2022, the Pi Network mainnet launch is now more likely to occur in 2023. On popular social networking sites, this week, the Pi Network trended. The value of the token increased as investors looked forward to its forthcoming mainnet launch and exchange listing. So what additional opportunities are there for Pi in 2023? One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies in the world. Pi browser has been downloaded by more than 10 million users globally. In contrast to the current situation, where only advanced users can mine cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, the Pi network envisions a time when anyone with a smartphone can mine cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the developers hope that the ecosystem will be active enough so that developers can create apps and games within its ecosystem. The Pi network has been operational since 2018. Owners of Pi coins have continued to assemble the currency in their wallets during this time because there isn't any use for it other than to engage in and pay for the ecosystem. However, if the developers are successful in getting it listed on important exchanges, this might change in 2023. This week, Huobi stated that it was evaluating the coin and determining whether to list it. The statement went on to say that Huobi will carefully watch Pi Network's updates on the impending mainnet launch. As soon as the main network has been successfully upgraded, Pi will be examined for listing. Price forecast for the Pi network in 2023. If this listing takes place, Pi coin owners will be able to exchange their coins for fiat money. This will also be one of the biggest cryptocurrency stories of the year. Although the listing price of the coins is yet unknown, it is not encouraged to buy Pi network when it is listed in light of the lessons learned in 2022. The most anticipated in 2022, as well as Aptos, backed by Binance, both plunged to all-time, given that a cryptocurrency with real utility has reached a record low. Millions of Pi coin holders are likely to hurry to sell their coins, flooding the market with new ones. I believe the main reason Pi developers haven't listed the coin is supply, which will lead the Pi network price to crash. Huobi Global is a Singapore-based firm that was established in 2013 and focuses on trading in the cryptocurrency market. It has a wide range of experience using blockchain technology. Huobi Global lately increased its presence in Asia and the US. The exchange's primary purpose is to offer a personal token, the Huobi token. The importance of several of Huobi connections with other businesses has been the subject of numerous headlines in recent days. These connections are a clear indication that the company wants to rebound from the current market crisis. Since about 2 days ago, Huobi has announced an exclusive partnership with some others investors, DX aggregator Rakitex. This partnership aims to enhance the trading platform but, more importantly, users of Huobi and Rakitex will gain from increased liquidity as a result of this exclusive partnership. These kinds of partnerships also help the business grow significantly, so it is not a coincidence that Huobi announced the partnership between these two parties. The Huobi crypto exchange has undoubtedly been impacted by the bear market. In addition, various criticisms have been leveled at Huobi and its transparency. Indeed, Huobi Proof of Reserve POA has been questioned after the announcement of the proof. Huobi will use Rakig's interface and API to access more liquidity. Pi Network is being investigated by the exchange after receiving multiple favorable mentions recently. Huobi revealed that it is monitoring the project closely and very probably intends to launch the token on its cryptocurrency exchange. We'll stop here for now. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you and see you in the next one.